What's going on, YouTube? What's up? What's going on? So check this out. What do you guys think about that? This is, I believe it's day 9, if I'm not mistaken. Yesterday I had some minor complications, so it should have been done yesterday. Today, Tuesday, I think. Set me back a few hours, so it ran all the way to today, half a day today, but it is done. The project is done. The patio shade is finished. Everything has been painted.